lovely computer scientists. So, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be showing off the four-ish main methods of splitting strings. They all have their own different usages, they all have their own different strengths and flaws, but they're all very good in their own right. So, in Python, you might need to split a string, and there are four main methods of doing this, right? You have, obviously, we'll just do hello world as a string. Hello world. You've got the main one, dot split, and you'll just input whatever you want to split by. We'll just do a space. Hello world turns the string. Say if we have another word, splits again. It splits at every single instance of that input to the dot split. Very simple. There's a second one, which is more meant for files, but we'll just do the same thing. Hello world again. Let's say there's an ellipsis there, a \n, because they need to repeat themselves or something. You do dot split lines, and it will split at line breaks. Let's see. Forgot the S. Split lines. As you can see, split at the line break. Same output, because return carriage, new line. There's another one, which will return tuples, and that's dot partition. So, hello world again. Let's just put, if we do dot partition, do need another input for this. And what it will do is it will split at the first instance of whatever you put in and separate whatever you put in. As you can see, get a tuple. Hello, first thing, world, second thing, again. That is the fourth thing. It will split at only the first instance. So if we put again, as you can see, those are two separate things, even if we misspell this. Still separate. The reason it does this is it will only split at the first one on the left side. You might think, what about the right side? What if we want to do one on the right side? Well, that's where our partition sound. It's exactly how it sounds. It will just, let's put something in between that actually. We're using the same three words we can see. Our partition, just literally R, then what we were doing. We'll just do the same thing as normal partition, but coming from the right side. So if we do again for our partition, you see we get the hello world, again, then world, because it splits on the right side. If we do world, splits on the right side, so we get those 5 words, then world, then the one after it, which is actually blank, because if you do have the very last thing, it will just return an empty thing, because it will always want to return 3 data pieces inside the tuple. So dot split for general things and splitting at every single one. Dot split lines, actually, forgot to demonstrate. The dot split lines will also split every line break, not just the first one. Dot split lines for every line break, usually with files. Dot partition for the first instance on the left of a certain thing, where you want that certain thing to be isolated. And then finally, R partition for when you want to do the first, well, technically the last thing, and want that isolated too. Thank you. Thank you all very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please comment especially, because I like learning how you learn, and it helps me make better videos which are more educational and more concise.